Hey folks, well, we need to have another building put up. We need a place to put our planer, and we've also purchased an antique edger, and we would like to get those under cover. So we need to clear a lot of this jungle that you're looking at right now. We're gonna go in there and clear out the small stuff, cut down the bigger stuff, and pull the stumps, and rake it all out, and get ready to put in a pad for our building. Now right here, I'm using the Back to Eden gardening method. The principle of this method is to just put down wood chips, not bark, but mostly just leaves and the light sticks and twigs and stuff that get all chipped up. This composes, breaks down and nourishes the soil and helps build it up. This particular garden is pretty light on topsoil since we had to dig out a lot of stumps and a lot of our topsoil got mixed in with subsoil. Now right here I'm using what's called a box blade. A box blade is meant to not really to clear off any debris, but mostly just to shave off the high spots and fill in the low spots, just kind of level everything out. Well, there we are, everybody. Got that all cleaned up, raked out, all ready to put the pad in. I've got these little stakes in here so I know just where I want my pad to go. That is a little bigger than the building. What we got to do now is we'll come in here probably with this track loader, and we'll dig down, make sure we get all the topsoil that's on there removed, and then we'll bring in some stone and level that all out so we can build our building. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.